In this video, we'll be telling about how to use same WhatsApp in two different smartphones at same time. First, what we need to do is take the new phone in which you want to install secondary WhatsApp. After that, if you have already installed WhatsApp application in that phone, uninstall WhatsApp application. After uninstalling, again install WhatsApp application from Play Store. After installing WhatsApp application, open WhatsApp application. First, you will be asked to select language. Select the language. After that, down here you can see agree and continue. Click on agree and continue. After that, you need to give some permissions. Click on allow. After that, you will be asked to enter phone number. Don't enter phone number. Now what you need to do is, above you can see three dots. Click on these three dots. Here you can see link to existing account. Click on this option. When you click on that option, a new page will come like this. Here you can see a new QR code. After that, what we need to do is take the smartphone in which your WhatsApp account is already there. After that, open WhatsApp application. In WhatsApp application, above you can see three dots. Click on these three dots. Here you can see linked devices option. Click on this linked devices. Here you can see link a device option. Click on this link a device. Now you will be asked to confirm identity by using PIN or fingerprint sensor. I am using fingerprint sensor. When you click on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can scan QR code. Now what you need to do is, you should scan this QR code. I am scanning this QR code. When you are scanning that QR code, you can see logging in. Now in your old smartphone, you can see one device, Android 13. Now if you are looking in new smartphone, you can see WhatsApp opened. Now if you are looking, you can see same WhatsApp in two different phones. If I am sending message in one WhatsApp, that will be reflected in second phone also. For example, I am sending one message in this phone. Here you can see that message has came in this phone also. So this way you can use same WhatsApp in two different phones at same time. And one important thing is that you should not use this in wrong way. If anyone is trying to use this in wrong way, you should unlink that device. For this, what we need to do is take your smartphone. After that, above you can see three dots. Click on these three dots. Here you can see linked devices option. Click on linked devices. Here down here you can see one device. That means this WhatsApp account is linked in one more device. If you don't know whose device is that, you should unlink this account. For this, what we need to do is click on this device. When you click on that, you can see one option, logout. Click on logout. When you are clicking logout, you can see that this WhatsApp application is closed, and when you are opening that WhatsApp again, you can see you have been logged out. So if anyone is using it in wrong way, you can unlink that device like this. So this is how you can use same WhatsApp in two different phones at same time, and we have also told about unlinking a device. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.